Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform factory reset, hard reset, your Ultenic D5s. So in order to do this, first of all we'll need to take our Ultenic and put it upside down like this. Now try to locate the red button on your Ultenic. It should be right here. Right now how it's facing, it's the left wheel, and this is the red button. Hold and press it for 10 seconds, like this, while the Ultenic is enabled, and then simply turn it back on to the eye. You'll hear the sound, and the factory settings will be restored. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.